Jini uyatefa ulude ufuna ukwenzani?
This was the flagship color.
Speech.
Hi guys, namhlanje yi-1st ka-May 2025, i-birth month yami. So I'm unboxing my first gift of 2025 for a birthday. Pouch. I-pouch, once it works with pouch, this pouch is bigger and better, ne? So which means kukho izinto ezingcono ezinhlana ezindiphuculayo ebomini. So ke ngathi ngendifundisa i-settings ezintsha because ke sana ndiyigele ne-phone entsha ngoku. I bought a pouch. It was, oopsie, yo! It was 200 rand, but ke mayibisima kwazi vuleka kade undoqo nanko. About the ASMR iPhone. Uyayiva? Apile. Oh, I love this for me. Sana. Let's open it. Hey, ngase ndivule ngalandlela yedrama. Ta-da! Sana. This is the color. Bekuthiwa ngubani kanene into endiyazi uba ifana no-rose gold okanye no-gold, whatever it is. Iphone16 ke sana. Okay, bisithi hello ke my nono. Brand new from the box. Andisavuyi. I'm so excited. Sana lam. Sana, stay tuned. Maybe so elevator yonke enye into. dim ke lo nefone egcwele isihlenge ethi hi. That's why I opened benifakisa i-screen protector, then ndathenga ne-pouch cause sana funeka ube be safety, ku-dangerous out there. Once umalanyana mistake ifoni funeka ube ulungisisa ifoni ntontoni insurance so asizifuna izinto ezinjalo. Otherwise ke thank you. Please don't forget to like, please don't forget to comment, please subscribe to my channel. Most importantly, subscribe. Hey, ibona nale pouch, it's giving sisomdala. Thank you. So secondly, this is gift number 2. Hey, this year. This is a gift from my friend Aya, all the way from Ashton. She texted me yesterday because I posted it back a Fenn that gift idea the status on WhatsApp, and she texted me. She was like, "Hi, Mrs. Makhabeni, you might in love back a Fenn funayo." I sent her a screenshot. Sana, did that girl not ask for my banking details or tumela imali immediately? What? Excited ke sana. Ichomi yam yandithi 1 point. Nyayazi 1 point. If it duster bag or dust bag. And this time around I went for her. Unavy. I thought so fumaneza colors manzibu gray, charcoal, kanye eba blue. I don't know the exact colors bazibizwa zindoni, but eza shades nje. And ke ngoku ndafumana lena ndafishwe kukho lena plus nale ndinayo or nude, shades of nude. Then I was like, okay, I wanted something different, and sana I got something different in navy. I don't know if you can see. I'm so excited and I just can't hide it. Ndimkelo Teddy Bear, Ted Baker, ndimbekela bucala ke ngoku sama nabahambayo sana nam. Oh chomi yam, ngiyalibona ixabiso. Hey Jesus, hayi ke siyayivala ke ngoku okwangophofa siyivali. Gifts are still welcome. Kude kuyophela uMay. Thank you so much bangani bam for watching. Yazi, please like please comment, please share, please subscribe. Then comment nithi happy birthday Mrs. Makhabeni. Then on the comment section HBD Mama Makhabeni. Danko, bye. Chomizam molweni, excuse the messy hair. I haven't been combing for a week yonke. Okon manje ndithola ibonnet. But worry not, into seyilungisa leyo. I'm going to do my hair and I'm going to do something very simple and straightforward, which is a straight back. After that, ndizaphuma ndokwenza nails. I'm going to soak off these the toes but andizoma phone because bafana be protection fee denze Kylie Chaiharar. So andifuni bandi bendihamba nefone nentonton, andifuna ubona kakubisana lam. So yeah, let's get going guys. Bye for now. See you when I get back. Kebangani. Today is Thursday, episode 5 to 10, and I'm trying to put together outfits and pack because ngomso ekseni we're gonna drive to Outshoorn. Usually 2 weeks before sendipakishile. For some reason I didn't, because bendingathenga outfits and I thought maybe ngizokhawuleza outfits, but I was like, let me just pack whatever I already have. And I thought ngizobuya early namhlanje because bendokwenza inhloko ne-nails zam. but khona ndibuyayo ngoku oko ndihambe apha endlini ngo-8 ekuseni. So yeah, these are the outfits. It's a dress, wethu dress. Nizozibona wethu, yabo. And here zibikini zam is, I hope zisandilingana. Lena a 1-piece andinathemba. This is a 2-piece. This is another 2-piece. Lena a 3-piece. Ihamba nale. Andazi njengosana bese yangu 4-piece yohlukene. Then lena ihambe nalena. Then lena ihambe nalena. Then lena ihambe nalena. I can't believe ndishiye ibikini ezi-5 ekhaya. So I just picked from these. Lena I think I eliminate nale because I don't think this is on lingana. Nalena ndiyithembanga. But ibet yam ikulo yellow. So I'm gonna take lo yellow. I think nalo red. Nalena inja yazi. I think I'm just gonna pack these. It's not like India, we flight, ibag yam izoba overweight. I'm gonna try emotweni. So I'm gonna pack these so that in many options as needs. I'm packing for myself. Me and Namke utozovuka apakeshe. That's what he does. Oko xa funeka kuhanjiwe ke. Noba sekubhukishwe iflight noba sekutheni nguye umntu osenza late. So mna ndithanda izinto zam zibe in order. Then apha zii-toiletries zethu. Ndizifaka apha kwi-toiletry bag. Otherwise if azifithi zonke zihambe nazo zilapha kule plastic because sana. And this is some medication. They're trying to travel with any medication. Just in case, I don't know. In case today or whatever. Stress. Also, I must take out izinto zilapha kule bag and put it onto my new bag, a Fenn bag, and it's in my chonium. Yeah. Also, I need to wash Fenn bag wam lo nude. Umdaka man. So ndifuneka ndiyomhlambisa. But okwangoku man bendigxegxisa le intsha ibag. Kali, this is me. This is the hair. How do I show you? This is the hair. How do I look? Dimhle, the gorgeous Dijane. And these are the nails. Can you believe the pome kwam go 8 a.m. Khona ndibuya nge-2:10. Inhloko ndiyenze. It was like, I think let's say 9:45 ukwenza inhloko yam because esalibaziseka a bit. Appointment yam beka-9. Ndawasha again then ndenze straight back. Ndagqiba ngo-22 bingu-13:37 kondigqiba ukwenza le nhloko. Ndahamba ndaya ekhaya because ikhona enye ingubo wethu ebendifuna uyihlamba. Then because ndenzele Harare mos yabo, so ndaqomba mansole ndihamba nengubo because washing machine yasekhaya inkulu kufitha nengubo. So ndahamba ndayofaka laa ngobo, then I made something to eat. Then ngo-2 ndawalka to i-appointment yam ke ngoku ye-nails. Yona i-appointment yam ye-nails iphele nge-2:08. Then I had to wait for umnyenam because besama imoto eyi-1. I had to wait for him. Then saphinda sakwenza ezinye errands khona singene endlini. Now I'm forced to pack ndingalali ndisozela ndinjalo because abusoze buhle ubuthongo kum. So yeah, at least yonke into endiyicinga uba ndiyayinida ndiyikhuphile. I'm just gonna pack it inside my bag. Ndisete i-alarm. Umntu ke ongapakishanga uzozibona ngomso and uyayithanda ukwenza loo nto, especially xa sama imoto avele athi tshwa izinto emotweni, tshwa izinto, jikijiki uliwele into ethile, jikijiki andisingeni. But yeah guys, let me pack. Bye for now, see you tomorrow. Molweni guys, today 9 May, Friday, the day sihamba ngayo. And I just finished dressing up. I think zakwenza just edges, then ndibangene ndigqibile unxiba. Niyandibona ndinjani? Ndimhle. Umnyeni wam kakaqali sana. Hayi nkosi yam. I'm just gonna make myself breakfast. Ndizakwenza green tea ne-muesli, then ndigqibezela upakisha ndibe ready, then ndilinde umntu osagqibezela usebenza kodwa uselivini. Otherwise ke come along. How precious, O God, is your constant love. We find protection under the shadow of your wings. Psalm 36, verse 7. Verse of the birthday. Afrikaans, nisakwazi uyifunda. Jy sal jou dek met sy vleke, vlerke, en onder sy vleuels sal jy skuil. Psalm 91 verse 4. Don't even understand what that is, get my dear. Oh, this is so considerate for blind people.
Is it?
Yeah. Bakwazi ufunda. Bafile. Wow. Uyalahleka bhuti wam. QR code inoba ne-informasi. And then hair. So favium, carrot cake, my other fave, chocolate mousse cake. Order your fave, make your husband order your other fave. Abenai you fave. Thank you. Abenai you fave, then ubene options ze faves. Look at the color of my toenails. Cute isan. Sisihlangu esilani esihlangu le ndenzerana. Love it for me. Sana sibuyile ke. Kula restaurant. It's so nice. Kohle apha guys. Now we're walking back to the car. We wanted a breakfast, but kind of the English breakfast. Okanye eggs Benedict. But sifike 11:28. Then lunch qala ngo 11:30. So we had to order a lunch, but menu yabo man is very limited. So we ended up ordering from a dessert. I wouldn't recommend Shem. It dessert yabo. The place is beautiful. The staff are kind. Service yabo right. But cake cake yam carrot cake believe being is 10. Being no better ngaba unconscious. The chocolate cake, chocolate mousse cake iqinile man. Ngokuza ndiyayibona ma aman. Ingathi ayikho fresh but ndayinike benefit of the doubt. But sana eze itye umnye nam uthi hayi. Uthi mnandi akomnandi. Xa nditaste akomnandi male cake. But yena akafuna uba disappoint kube be nice. So I'm like ndifuna ubaxela ba imbi male cake. Ayisona akafuna ndibaxelele. Ngondibhorekile because why? Funeka ndingatsho uba icake yenu imbi bethunana. Otherwise ke yeah. Ndibaxelele ke mna kuba eyam imbi. Then but hayi ungakhetha enye icake ndiqoma andisathembi kwa cake yalapha ke ngoku mna. Sendifuna ndinike something else. So I ended up getting a croissant. Because by croissant is cheaper ke ngoku than a cake, but I was like, it's whatever wethu. Andifuni bengathi ndifuna imali back okanye ntonton. So I just took the croissant. The croissant. How do you pronounce a croissant? Croissant. So I just took that. I hope imnandi kanandilambile. Mhlawumbi kofuna sidibane noMacD okanye noWimbi sithenge breakfast or whatever apha endleleni because ngilambile. Ayikho nto besiyizele apha besizele aesthetics. It's boring me and my home girls ke ngoku loo nto. Otherwise the journey continues wangani. Let's go. Croissant taste. It's nice. It's crunchy. It tastes like croissant, soft and soggy. So it's a better option. Guys, nansi chomi yam engithele iFenn there.
A 1 point. 1 point.
Yeah, yiva. 1 point. Elemali. The best ever. Sikwa unit number 2, guys. When you walk in, there's a patio. Relax apha nomntu wakho. When you walk in, there are 2 beds. I thought the day beds, but benzela ba xa kwi family. Like xa by 4. Nisherishi. TV. There's another. I love the style. Sabo antique. Not antique, but rustic. This is the bed. This is my Fenn bag. And ithengelwe ichomi yam. Mayingawi. Mayimenqo. Niyibone. And on this side, bar fridge. I hope basinike amanzi because bathi amanzi alapha waseleki kodwa basinikanga amanzi. Okay. Then there's a door that interleads to another room in case ni family. Nange umntwam. Then ibe ndim. Isa baby then ibe sit. It's you. It's me. Baby Adzonda. Sandela kum. It's us.
Ooh, simple baby.
Thank you, Dom. Then your bathroom. It's just a shower, basin, and a mirror. Off to swim, Kesan. I hope our band. This is the breakfast area. Brewing facilities. Uza nezinto zakho. Then ubraye. I hope akho zinto zikrolayo ke sana. Guys, this is how the pool looks like at night. It's so gorgeous. It's just sad that the pool is not heated, so you can't swim ebusuku. What is the point? What is the point? And we can't swim at night. We're going to get something to eat. Guys, take your KFC. But apha kukho ubushushu electric blanket amandongena. But ke inhloko ekhaxa sithi dinner table, then dinner table. Ndithenga streetwise pap zange ndamtya, but I felt like ndifuna something filling. Andifuna uthi nutritious because I don't think nutritious, but I wanted something different, so I bought streetwise pap. I don't think like soup. Ingathi vele yathiwa thaxa. Why did I think so? Kwenza ibe nice bengathi bencindi. Look at our box. Something in me wanted to say keba manike thigh nomlens, but I didn't. And taste. I'm not sure.
Oh, they know that it's time for feeding now. Come on, TD Jakes.
Welcome to our home. You unzip. It's a double door. I don't know about happy. Should I open it?
Kabe ungena. Bona phambili uvala. Yeah.
Yes, this is 0.5.
Kuye lo.
But it's cute actually. Your bathroom. Yeah, is another bed. Oh, this is nice.
Lales.
Shower outside. Basin, everything you need. Bathtub, sabu jacuzzi. This is cute. Pool area. I don't think it's a heated pool. I ban. No mind I get. I'm not sure if we'll go live here. This is the night view. My husband is wearing my fur coat. Are you feeling at peace, babe? Of the morning, sun go gloomy. Oh, that's another battalion dente yonaleyan. Don't know what it's called, but yeah. So thina besilili apha kushushu shem kukhona electric blankets, right? But the downside of this is that ebusuku toilet nantsiya. So ebusuku kufuneka uphume apha uwalk kumnyama ke sana apha. Kufuneka uhambe apha and awuyazi noba kukho into ezicrawlayo okanye into ezihambayo. Ufuneka uhambe uze apha into the bathroom. Not bathroom, but a toilet. So nanzi toilet. It's a bit secure, but in the outdoor vibes and all of that. Yeah, bo. And then the actual bathtub ne basin zilapha nazi. But akho ndlela ephumayo from here. So you need to go all the way around. But I'm so mad because why ngekho mnyango olapha somewhere odibanisayo? Because ngoku ebusuku kufuneka ndiphume. Ngeke son. I didn't ke son. Mince ndathi sa. Outdoor bubble bath. Akubandi phandle. West be idea yam. Andizukwazi ukublame mntu ndithi wabani. Fika ndihlambele apha. There's no option here indoor ke son. This is the best. Apha shem kukho shower caps. After sun gel, mosquito repellent. and sunscreen. Lotion, baby basin. Kukho bubble bath, Shem. They're so considerate. Bubble bath, hand wash. What's this? Shower gel and shampoo and conditioner. Dimkelo bangan zohlamba apha. Hey, me idea yam. Now I have to stick by it. Good morning. Ooh. Bye, Outshoorn. You've been good, baby. You've been good, baby. Ayinde indlela esoyahamba ke ngoku.